Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. In this tutorial, we will learn about the animations in PowerPoint. We will learn the entrance animations. So let's get started. Types of entrance animations: basic, subtle, moderate, and exciting. In this tutorial, we will be learning about the exciting entrance animations. Types of exciting entrance animation. Let us now look at the types of exciting entrance animation. So let us duplicate this and we'll do the animation on this. We'll go to animations, add animation, more entrance effect animations. So you will see exciting. First is basic swivel, second is boomerang, third is bounce, fourth is credits, fifth is curve up, sixth is drop, seventh is flip, eighth is float, ninth is pinwheel, 10th is spiral, and 11th is whip. Let us now learn each one of the exciting entrance animations one by one. I will select this on which the animation which you have to do. Go to animation pane, add animation, more entrance effect, go to basic swivel. Let us see the preview. Let us go to animation pane and see if you have some more options, effect options. So you can do it either in a horizontal direction or this in a vertical direction. So we can select this from here as well, that is horizontal. This is the horizontal, we already did it. Let us do the vertical. We can also select as one object. We can do it all at once, and we can do it by paragraph. So to understand by paragraph, we will just duplicate this. And let us now learn by paragraph and see how it looks. So the animation happened on the first paragraph, then happened on the second paragraph. This is how it took it. So if you go to effect options, you have sound option, you have after animation, how you want it. Maybe if you want to hide after animation, hide on the next mouse click, animate text by word, by letter. So we did it all at once. If you'll do it by word, let us see how it looks. Let us now look by letter. So we see a lot of these exciting animations available nowadays. A lot of new tools which are quite expensive, but we can use the PowerPoint. We can also add the audio here, so to make it more interesting, because videos are the way to engage the audience these days. Similarly, let us now move to another animation. First of all, we will remove this animation. We'll go to add animation, more entrance effect. Second is boomerang. So you can see this is how it will come. Again you have effect options, you have no sound, the sound if you want, after animation how do you want, how do you want to do it all at once, want to do it by word, by letter. You can change the timings, you can have it on click, with previous, after previous. So on click means once you click it the animation will run. With previous, if you select it immediately without clicking it will run. After previous, it will happen once the previous animation is finished. You can select this text animation as one object, as one paragraph, the paragraph which we've already discussed, one by one. Then we have the next animation as bounce. So this is the bounce effect which you will get. So let us first delete the boomerang and let us now see the preview of the bounce effect. So this is the bounce effect which you can get. Again you have the effect options where you can have a sound, don't dim, text animation as one object, or want to do it as a paragraph. Let us now quickly learn the next entrance animation, which is credits. So just have a look at the preview. Sorry, we had already selected bounce, so we will remove bounce. We will reduce the duration of this because it was 15 seconds. Let us do it for 3. So this is how it will keep on happening. If you want to keep on happening it, so we'll go effect options, timing, repeat until the end of the slide. So if you see, this will keep on happening. So you see a lot of videos in which animation like this keep on coming, so you can also add in your presentations or your videos. Let us again remove this and learn the next exciting animation in entrance. So we have curve up. So you just have a look at this. This is the curve up option. In this we have all at once, as one object. So you, when you keep on practicing, you will just come to know what are the options, because if I tell you all, it will be too much for you. More entrance, let me first delete this, remove, add animation, more entrance effect, drop. So you just have a look at this. Again a very exciting animation, very helpful when you make the videos, looks very different. You can also add the sound option over here. Let us again remove this animation and learn another one. So we had flip now. Just let me see the timing, it is 1 second only. Preview. So this is the flip animation. So again if you go here, you have more option as one object. You go here, you can do effect animation, effects, where you can select the timing until the end of the slide. Let us now move to the next animation. So now we learn float. Preview. So if you want to do it for a little duration, if you want to increase it, we can do it for 2.5 seconds. See, it will come slowly. So if you see the effect options, we have sound option, After Effects, text animation, timings, we have it on click, delay, duration and repeat. Let us now learn another animation. So you go to more entrance effects, so you go to float. So we'll just have a look at the preview. So you can also increase the duration of the animation. So once we increase the duration, you can see it comes slowly. Let us now move to, so you can keep on looking at these effect options as per your requirement: timings, repeat, text animation. We will add, let us first remove this animation, more entrance effects, pinwheel. So just have a look at the preview. So let me show you the effect animation, timing until the end of slide. So you see a lot of videos in which this keeps on happening like this. So when you do it until the end of the slide, so this will keep on happening. Let us now learn another animation, which is spiral in. So it comes, as the name says, the same. So let me first delete this animation, remove. Yeah, this is a spiral in animation preview. So it's a spiral in effect. Let us now learn the last exciting animation, which is whip. So I'll show you the preview. I'm sorry, I'll just delete the previous animation first. Remove. Now I will add more entrance animation effects, whip. Just have a look at the preview. So hope you liked these exciting entrance animations. So we all are using PowerPoint, but I understand that some of these tools are hidden and we have not used it. So I will request you to please start using in your presentations. And thanks for your time. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe so that you get a regular update. Thanks for your time.